Hi friends, welcome back to Online English Guru channel. Today we are going to learn about dialogue writing, and this video is going to help those who are preparing for 6 to 8 CET. And here we go. A dialogue means, let's begin with some understanding with dialogue writing. A dialogue means conversation between two or more people. Dialogues are effective tool, as you know, in day-to-day communication, right? They are very important form of composition. The conversation may be informal or formal depending on upon the following factors. Which are those factors? Relationship between the speaker and the listener. If two speakers, if the listener and speaker are friends, then the tone must be a informal one. If the speaker is a superior one, maybe boss or a teacher or headmaster, if the listener or another speaker, if he is a student or a subordinate, then it's going to be a formal one. The topic of the conversation, if you are talking about daily breakfast, if you are talking about breakfast, the tone going to be informal. If you are going to talk about business dealings, then it should be a formal one. The situation in which the speakers are placed, that's also going to be very important. And you have to remember some of the points. While writing a dialogue, you need to follow the some of the steps. What are those steps? Let's learn. Preceding and following dialogues. While what happens in exam, most of the these kind of things, what they provide you a incomplete conversation piece. Then if they have given incomplete conversation piece, what you have to do? You have to read out the whole exchange of dialogues first to get the clear cut ideas. For that you have to read out the preceding and the following dialogues. You must understand the topic being discussed. The tense of the dialogue is very important. If you are talking about the past, then you have to use the past tense. If you are talking about the future, then you have to use future tense. If you are talking about daily routine, you have to use simple present tense. Depending on the situation, you have to use the tense. Then it should appear natural. Conversation should be natural. The phrases used should be to the point. Archana invites Kirtana. Here is a question. Archana invites Kirtana to make a plan for the weekend. It's an informal kind of conversation. Let's take an informal conversation. Complete the dialogue between Archana and Kirtana by filling in gaps. Okay. Are you ready for this? We are going to fill the gaps. For that, we have to read out the whole passage first to get the complete meaning. Dash, just a second, sorry. Here we go. Archana dash this weekend. I don't have any special plan. How do you like the idea dash the Jew? Kirtan, that sounds good, but dash my parents' permission. I'll come to your house this evening and request your parents to allow you to join me to see the Jew. Okay. Dash in the evening. Yes, they will be at home. Then I'll surely come. This is a part of a dialogue. Let's complete it. Here you see Archana dash this weekend. What do you see here? Archana is going to talk about the weekend plans. So, we can do you have? We can say, do you have any plans? Do you have any plans for this weekend? Do you have any plans for this weekend? Okay. Then I don't have any special plan. How do you like the idea of visiting the Jew? How do you like the idea of visiting the Jew? Right? That sounds good, but dash my parents' permission. I need to take, I need to take my parents' permission. Okay. I'll come to your house this evening and request your parents to allow you to join me to see the June. Okay. Dash. In the evening, are they going to be at home? Are they who? They means parents. Are they going to be at home? Are they going to be at home? Are they going to be at home this evening? Who? Parents. Okay. Yes, they will be at home. Then I'll surely come. That's it. We have completed the dialogue. Let's take second. Archana is being interviewed for the job of a teacher in DVS school, English medium school. Then DVS English medium school, and it's an interview. Then it's a formal kind of conversation. Let's complete the following dialogues. First, read out the complete dialogues. Interviewer. Why do you think dash? Archana. Ma'am, I am qualified for the job and I have passion for teaching. Dash. Can dash foreign language? Yes, I can speak and write French. Interviewer. What dash in graduation? Ma'am, I have graduated in English literature. Do you dash experience? Yes, I have teaching experience of 5 years in a public schools. Well, then we may consider you for the job. That's it. Okay. Let's complete this part of dialogue. Interviewer. Why do you think you suit for this post? Otherwise you can ask, why do you think you are going to suit this for this post? Why do you think you are most eligible candidate for this post? They may ask in any way, but this goes, why do you think you suit for this post? Archana says, ma'am, I am qualified for the job and I have passion for teaching. She answers like that. Can dash any foreign language? Here foreign language is there. Can you speak any foreign language? For that, yes, I can speak and write French. What dash in your graduation? What are your optionals? What are your optionals? What are your optionals? So what are your major subjects in graduation? Archana says, ma'am, I have graduated in English literature. Do you have any experience? Yes, I have teaching experience of 5 years in public school. Interview. Well, then we may consider you for the post. Archana may say, thank you for considering me. Thank you for considering me. In this way we can complete the any piece of dialogues, but for that you have to go through many conversation pieces to get the good idea of it. That's it. Thank you.